Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to create Crypto.com account on your PC. If you want to create your account from your application on your phone, then you can simply scan this QR and get yourself the application on your phone. But in this video, we are about to create account from PC. So make sure you open one preferred web browser, and at the search bar, you can simply search crypto.com/price and press enter. You will be led to this kind of page where you can see all the price rate of the cryptocurrencies, and at the top you can see the option login or sign up. If you have your account, then click on login option. If you don't, then click on sign up. Now here, firstly you need to enter your valid email address. After that, you need to create yourself a very strong password. Likewise, after that, you need to check on those boxes. And there you can see the option click to verify, click over there. And here you need to slide to complete the puzzle for the verification process. After the verification is success, simply click on sign up. Now a confirmation link will be sent to your email. Make sure to check it. And once you click on that link, your Crypto.com account will be created. And this is how you can create your Crypto.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.